Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts. Please be sure to listen to our important message following this episode regarding the risks of investing in exchange-traded options.
That's true. Last point. Carl said that he wants to do gamma scalping. How can he do that? Well, remember, as Jason pointed out, there's always a trade-off. And gamma scalping in FX, the only way to do gamma scalping if you're trading in the FX options is to have a spot account, because you're going to need to go and, let's say you have options. If it starts to work to your benefit, you're going to want to sell some spot or buy some spot. And again, I get this question very often when I teach basic options, because people hear about this gamma scalping. They think it's such a great thing because somebody has explained it to them that there's no risk. As Jason just pointed out, every strategy has risk. If you're doing delta neutral trading, which is gamma scalping, your risk is volatility. And I could argue that that's probably riskier now than just about any other strategy, because volatility is elevated to such a high level. Wouldn't you agree, Jason?
Oh, absolutely. And you pointed out that we don't know where it's going. So, that volatility is subject to the market conditions, and if we keep seeing these kinds of market moves, volatility is going to continue to increase.
Absolutely. All right. Well, Chase, I want to get you home before sunrise.
Good
I think
stuff.
we need to call it a night. I really want to thank you, because I think, I don't know, I hope that all the attendees thought it was a great presentation. I think the balance between me giving a little bit of the theoreticals and talking all about volatility and how the implied, the historical, and getting into the Greeks, and then taking it back to the practical level where Jason showed you, just looking at that whiteboard, buying a spread for whatever it was, $3, $4, trying to make $2 or $3 or $4. These are great trades to put on from a practical standpoint. And if you want to learn more about it, you can go to optionsource.net. You can come and listen to the FX options, the weekly outlook. Jason does it every week. There's plenty of stuff that you can learn, whether it's at optionsource.net or at the ISE. So I just want to say thanks. I want to thank you, Jason, from behalf of the International Securities Exchange. Excuse me. It's been a long day. Not to talk.
I hear you.
It's been a long day, but I do want to thank you. You did a great job, and I hope all the attendees enjoyed it. I think it was a great presentation.
Good stuff. Thanks very much for the opportunity. I always enjoy sitting in for these sessions, and thanks everybody for joining on a Sunday evening. And I guess we'll catch you online the next time I'm invited to host or co-host one of these things.
Absolutely, Jason. We'll figure that out as soon as possible, and we'll get you back, because, again, your weekly outlook's tremendous. So everybody should sign up for it, where you can sign up at the ISE or at optionsource.net. Jason, thanks so much again.
My pleasure, guys. Everybody have a great evening. Enjoy the rest of the week. Remember, Bernanke speaks tomorrow. Huge impact, conceivably on the value of the U.S. dollar and the markets in general. So just be cautious as you watch the markets tomorrow. And again, when there's uncertainty, probably best just to stand aside, right? So on that note, everybody have a great night.
Drive home safely, Jace.
Thanks, Steve. You take care. We'll be talking to you this week sometime for sure.
Absolutely. On behalf of the International Securities Exchange, this is Steve Meisinger saying, have a great evening, and please trade safely. Look forward to you all coming back next Thursday and all the other future webinars that we have. Thanks so much.
Good stuff.
Again,
cheers. Have a great night.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye for now.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts.